Got me soaked pretty good. Messed up my rig and everything, but it's okay. Here we go. All right, guys, so I came back a little bit different. What the heck was that? Ideally, guys, I'd like to not be doing this with the bait caster, but my son was trying to catch some fish too, so I ended up giving him my favorite spinning fishing rod. Oh boy, that wasn't supposed to happen. Got one. There you go. Creek chub.
It's a little creek chub?
Yeah, a little creek chub. There you guys go. End up getting my first, or shiner. I don't know what this is. Very pretty fish, but end up getting him. Got another one, little tiny bluegill deal. There you go, guys. Another little guy, really pretty. There you go. All right, guys, creek fishing ain't bad. That's 2 species. Let's see what else I can get out of here. Hey, y'all rolling out? Y'all leaving? Got one. Another little guy, guys. Huh? No? Your bigger stuff for bass? Yeah. Okay. All right, I'll be up there then. Another one, guys. Getting smaller though, they're going the wrong way. So guys, basically this is kind of my micro fishing creek deal, guys. I'm in a tiny little creek here. So I appreciate you guys tuning in for an episode of small creek fishing, guys. I got a little bit of water. Oh, geez, what the heck happened there? I got a little bit of water. I'm actually, the funny part about this, guys, is that I'm not fishing a rod. I wish I was, because I gave that to my kid, but I've got on 12-pound sunline fluorocarbon with a 6:3 to 1 gear ratio bait casting reel and a 6'9" medium power rod. So I got the shorter rod for going in the creek and casting into these little tight, got a fish on, cast into these little tight spots. That's why I got the smaller rod, but I had a pretty good fish, guys, when I first came up here. Little creek chub, but I haven't gotten anything that size since, so. Oh, lost my worm. Another one, guys. I don't know. It's not quite bass fishing, guys, but it is fun. Oh, gee. And I'm losing my stuff, unfortunately. Come on. Barely even felt that little guy take off. That's another one. So all total, guys, probably about, get up out the way. No, not up there. Doesn't even make any sense. That's just stupid. Got the hook. Yep, still got the hook. Just lost the weight, so I'm cool with that. Oh my God, this thing is terrible. What the heck? I cannot get this thing to go where I need it to go. Had one. Lost him. Got him again. There you go, guys. One more for you to wrap up the day in the creek. All right, guys, so some micro creek fishing with a little drop shot, weight, tiny little hook, and a worm. I haven't done this, guys, in a very long time. I've never come out and just went to micro creek fish with tiny little hooks and tiny baits and tiny weights that I can't even cast. So here we go. We're giving it a try. This is a very good color on this fish, and I really like it, so I'm hoping to get it up close for you guys to see, but that's what we're working with today, guys. So another episode of Bass and Furious, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. It may head to another place and try to catch some more, or I may be done for the day. We'll find out here in just a moment. So stay tuned. Yeah, but the problem is I can't run in this little part. If I fall in, I'm gonna fall right to where he's hanging out at. Then he's gonna think I'm trying to attack him. He's gonna bite me. I'm gonna try not to. He might just try to bite me anyway. I don't know. I don't see him anymore, so I don't know where he's at. Oh, God. All right, guys. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's try this. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. And my foot's slipping. And my foot's slipping. That's not good. Okay. Okay. Oh, shoot. Ah, crap. I fell in. Dang it. Okay. I fell in the water, but I'm out of the water. Okay. Now I gotta find a branch to pull me up. Okay. 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 Oh God. Okay. Okay.